we made it back for the evening hunt. Just got set up over that scrape we found this morning. So hopefully if all works out, that buck might come up here and check his scrape and refresh it this evening. We hope anyway. But, not sure we're on time, 4:30, right around 5 right now. So hopefully, cross our fingers, maybe we can see something that's shootable. Hey, Braid. Don't move the muscle. Get comfortable. Just get comfortable. Well, we just got out of the woods. Man, have we had an adventure, ain't we, Braden?
Heck yeah.
We've had an adventure. It's been awesome. We went back up in there this evening and hunted that scrape that we had found, and we had about 5. No, it was before that when that one buck come up. The first one, wasn't it? Like 4 or something. Right at 5 o'clock, there was one buck that had come up, and I never could get him on camera. He stayed behind a pine tree most of the time. He was right there feeding. Well, where we was hunting at joins up with some private, and all of a sudden this buck was working in, and I didn't realize what he was until after what had happened was, well, the deer was working in feeding, and then there was the people that owns the private over there started doing some construction or something and fired up a vehicle and it got real loud. Well, this buck, he turns around and he starts walking back down the ridge, and I kind of start trying to grunt at him to get him to stop and come back, hoping he would, but he didn't pay no attention to me. Well, then he started trotting and went on over and left out. But whenever he was going away, I seen that he was, a decent buck. I was like, wow. Well, I said, man, maybe he'll come back this evening. And then around, what time was it? Around 5:30, 5:45, 6 o'clock?
Yeah, somewhere.
We had 2 other bucks come off the mountain on us, a 6-pointer and a 5-pointer. And, whenever they come down, they started fighting and sparring. Then I had the one come right under me, basically, and then he started snort wheezing, so it was pretty cool. And things are starting to heat up and get a lot better. We'll get ready for muzzleloading here, and I'm on a bow hunt again tomorrow. And then I think that'll be my last day of bow hunting. Yeah, then we'll be muzzleloading. So maybe, if a decent buck comes in tomorrow, I might get a shot at him, might not, just the way it goes. But everything's heating up right now, and we're getting excited. So it's like, let's go.